nyapare duol mar jotend migepe Wycliffe Musele Mudavadi koro kwayo tiyo kanyakla neno kaka inyalo rakruok koda tuo nendo makocha manendo mar Ebola e pacho kaendi e piny Kenya kaachiel koda tong' mage. Kanyendo ni jopiny kaachiel koda riwruoge mopogore opogore mag piny owacho oti kanyakla e kinde niendi makwano oganda mathoth gin mago eko ma osetimnegi pim e wi tuo machalo kamano ka oyango ni dwaro mar piny owacho en neno kaka koro oganda nyalo bedo makare maonge koda tuo mar Ebola.
Kenya values mutually beneficial partnerships with the United States, particularly under the Health Cooperation Framework signed in 2025. That advances Kenya's healthcare agenda and strengthens preparedness for global health emergencies. It is important to note that the outbreak of the Ebola virus disease has been declared a public health emergency of international concern by the World Health Organization and a continental emergency by the Africa Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Kenya stands in solidarity with the countries affected by the Ebola outbreak and extends its deepest condolences to those who have lost loved ones. Evidently, such pandemics transcend borders and cannot be effectively contained by any state acting alone. We must therefore embrace collective action over isolationism and narrow nationalism. We thank the United States for partnering with Kenya in our national response to the disease. Since the outbreak was declared, Kenya has cumulatively screened 168,766 individuals to date. And so far, no case of Ebola has been recorded. We shall continue implementing these proactive measures for as long as it takes